What's up guys, Sophia here, and I am bringing you this situation, and it's pretty easy y'all, and it's not really that long. Like, I know it looks complicated, but it's not really, kind of, sort of, maybe. That makes sense. But you can find out for yourself. Just stay tuned for the tutorial. So let's get into it. Okay, so I've never done this hairstyle before. I actually saw it on Pinterest and I felt like I could do it. So I was like, you know, why not? So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to part my hair like in a V, and then I'm gonna leave like a little strip out. So yes, let's get to that. Okay, so now I have parted it and I'm going to flat twist this part back. It was my intention to braid it, but I just changed my mind because that can take too long and it's just easier for me to do this. So yeah. Alright, so at this point I've put 2 twists down here. They don't look the neatest, but I promise y'all we gonna handle that. I know some of y'all are probably like, okay, so you're not gonna show us that on camera. No. And the reason why is because it's really not that hard. Just do a V, because that's where we're gonna do the Bantu knots, and part this way and then part right to the side. That's it. Then at the end, you're gonna put the twist in a ponytail. And so now we're gonna get into the Bantu knots. I'm gonna make mine really big because I don't wanna like be here forever. And so I'm gonna part mid-head across the ear, and then I'm going to come all the way like this. All right, and so that's the gist of it. So I'm gonna do this all over my head and I'll be back. Okay, so I have 3 triangles in my head and I'm going to get 6 more. All right, so I kind of have to not look at y'all, so you might not see, but if you can kind of see that I'm creating a V. And so if I turn, hopefully it's not looking crazy, but it should be like a triangle. That's what I'm doing. And then you're gonna do this, and then you're gonna do this, and that'll be 3. This side is done. Okay, it is done. I went from this to this, all of them are done. You wanna get the braiding hair, and I'm gonna cut it into 2. It's folded. I'm going to be very extra, and I'm going to actually mix in a little bit of this color, M11430, and so I did not see this on Pinterest, so hopefully it kind of works out. You're going to get the little braid, attach it to your head, and honestly, if you don't know how to like braid or attach a braid to your head, then this is the perfect time to learn, just because it doesn't have to be perfect. Like, literally just attach it to your head, because the Bantu knot is going to cover the braid anyway, so it doesn't have to be perfect. And you don't have to make this super tight, just because we do want the Bantu knot to be big, so we don't want it to be too tight. You can loosen it up as you go. And once you get kind of past your real hair, it's all good. So shake it out, do this, whatever, because we're getting ready to wrap it around itself. And then we just, you might want to move that. And then we just go around, keeping it loose, but as you go around the base, you like, once you want to tuck this in tight, and you secure it. You can also get a bobby pin, which I probably will always also do, just so that this isn't flop. All right, so now that I have most of the hair done, I wanted to come back on to show you how to do this last one, because my strategy has adjusted a little bit. I told you guys this was my first time doing this, messing up, hold on. doing this hairstyle, and so yeah, just attach. What I have been doing as compared to the first one, just because, I don't know, this just seems easier to me, is when I get to the pass of the hair point, I go like this. And then I get a rubber band and put it on, and then I take this and twist it. And I'm not gonna leave it like flopping around like that looks crazy. And once you kind of twist, I know, right? I don't know. I'm tired, y'all. Just, you know, it's okay. But just twist, just keep doing it. And don't pay attention to all these knots happening at the bottom of the thing. And then put another rubber band and then pin it into place if need be. All right. Okay. But we still have more. And I think I said that I was on my second pack of hair. So remember this whole twist situation that we created? Probably should have did this first because I think it's gonna be harder to actually do this. These Bantu knots in the way, but. The next thing you're gonna do is just add some jewelry where you see fit. Alright guys, so that is about it. It's not perfect, y'all, but I'm tired, and really by the time I put on a scarf and take it off, I promise you that all these imperfections will be alright. So if you like this hairstyle, if you like this video, if you like me, then give me a follow, give me a thumbs up, give me a share, or leave a comment. So that is about it, and I will see you guys another day, another time. Bye, y'all.